Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to duplicate a page in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Next, to the website that you want to duplicate a page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's say that this I want to duplicate or I want to edit this contact us page, and I'm not sure if my editing or my updates will work on and if I can restore to the old version. So a useful idea is to duplicate a page and then apply or edit the second page, and you can always to return to the original one. So how to duplicate this contact us page? Simply click on pages, and next to the page that you want to duplicate, click on these three dots and select duplicate. This is it. Click on it, and just like that you will have a duplicated page added here in the bottom of this list and also in this navigation menu. To rename this new page, you can click on these three dots, click on the rename, and give it for example, let's call it contact us 2, and to remove it from this navigation menu. My bad, I forgot to save contact us 2. Click on save. And to hide it from this navigation menu, simply drag and move it like this here below hidden from navigation. And now you can work on this page. Let's click on it. You can work on it while still having the original page. And this is how to duplicate a page in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.